Welcome back, guys, to the channel. It's James. This week we're making spaghetti and meatballs. Super simple, just meatballs and spaghetti and some sauce. Simple. So, ideally you'd make everything all yourself. But at this time I can't make the pasta by myself. So I use boxed. And that's okay. Look out in the future. I'll be making a video of how to make pasta. So don't forget to like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, have a good time. I'm on social media, all the links are in the description. Now, on to the video.
Let's start with making our own meatballs. Since I don't have any ground pork, I'm gonna make my own. Always put your meat grinder pieces in the freezer beforehand so they stay cold when you're grinding the meat so it doesn't warm it up. Cut your pork into strips so it fits into the grinder with ease. Then once all the meat's ground up, do equal parts beef and pork. It's gonna be some fire meatballs. I did about 300 grams each and seasoned it with salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning. Then I used the mixer, #labor saving device. Once all the pork and beef is mixed up, time to make the meat into balls. So quick, so speedy, wow. You want a pan that's real hot so you can sear the meatballs so it has a nice brown crust to it. And when the crust is all good, finish them in an oven that's set to 350 Fahrenheit for about 10 to 15 minutes or internal temperature of 170 Fahrenheit. While those finish in the oven, prep the bread for some garlic bread. Use butter you mixed with minced garlic, Italian seasoning, and just spread it all over. You can't serve spaghetti without garlic bread. It's against the law. Cook the bread for 10 minutes or until crispy, and then hit it with that good cheese as per usual here, and then put it back in till the cheese is all melty. You want to pot the water going so when it's all bubbly and stuff, the spaghetti can be cooked. Time for the sauce. I used crushed tomatoes, and then I added a bit of sugar to curb the acidity, and then more Italian seasoning and salt and pepper to taste. Mix that all up and just keep it warm till the spaghetti is ready. The pasta is ready to go, and then save half a cup of water when it's all done. You need it for later. Then add the pasta and the sauce together and mix it up with a little bit of the pasta water that you saved. You didn't forget to save it, right? Then mix it up real good. Now, to the plate. I plated it as fancy as I could think of in the cool little nest of pasta. And then I just slapped some meatballs beside it because meatballs. And I totally didn't forget about the garlic bread that's still in the oven at this moment. Spaghetti is a great dish for any time of year and it's just so simple. And why don't you spice it up with some very nice presentation?
So that was the spaghetti video. Simple, easy, delicious. See you guys next week. Don't forget to like and share. And subscribe.